Hey guys, Reece here. Welcome back to the channel. So wasn't actually preparing to film a video today, so wearing my dirty sweatshirt and hair's a little bit awry. But I'm actually here at the first property I ever bought with my partner Jimmy, and it opened up. We're going to renovate this one, so I wanted to give you guys an overview of this first deal, what we plan on doing to it, why we decided to move the tenants out and renovate it to begin with. And go from there. So guys, stick around to the end of today's video to get a deep dive on this deal. This was an on-market deal that we bought, so paid actually 20 grand over the initial asking price, except turned out to be a great deal. So stick around to the end of the video to get some more information on how we're gonna renovate this one and our cash flow on this deal. But before we dive into that, go ahead and like and subscribe to my channel if you're interested in this type of content. I'm trying to do more and more videos of me out in the real world, actually doing stuff, showing you guys how I'm making money, how I'm trying to improve my financial situation instead of just sitting in front of the desk every day. So let's dive into it. Okay, so we are renovating one side of this duplex. It's a 3 1.5 on each side, so 3 beds, 1.5 baths on each side. Now, I apologize for the video quality of this video because I actually forgot to transfer the electric into my name when the tenants moved out, so I showed up and the power's off. Rightfully so. So it's gonna be a little bit of dark, maybe a little bit of a granular video, but hopefully you guys get the gist here. So we walk in the front door here, so have a little bit of a covered porch here. Walk in the front door, and I'll turn you guys around. And we're welcomed in with this big front living room. So we actually get 2 rooms, which is nice. So living, dining room situation. And the first thing we're gonna do here is remove the tile, remove the carpet. We're going to remove the baseboard heaters everywhere, take off all the cover plates everywhere, and paint the walls, remove and replace the blinds. Get rid of these because they're on a remote and they're next to impossible to work, so we'll put new ones there. Coming in, we're gonna do the same thing in this room, just fresh paint, new floors, cosmetics only. And this unit is actually, so baseboard heat, and there's no AC. So the tenants left their AC unit here, so if it works, we'll leave it for the new tenants. If not, they can provide their own window AC units. But replace all the blinds, clean that up, and then coming into the kitchen. I am not a contractor, so I need to look into this, but if we can do vinyl plank over the tile instead of removing it, that's what we'll do. I have a feeling we can. Maybe we'll need to do an underlayment or something. However, it'll be vinyl plank all the way in here, throughout here. And then we get into the kitchen. So this kitchen is actually in really, really good shape. This property was turnkey when we bought it. I moved in to the other unit actually back when I first bought this place. This was my first house hack. And I lived there for about a year and then moved into the next one I bought. So in here, we're just going to paint these cabinets actually and do a little bit of work. So this cabinet here, we're going to completely replace just because it's been water leaking underneath the sink for a while now. And then we have to just fix a couple cabinets up here. However, the kitchen is in pretty much, really good shape. So we're going to remove these countertops and put granite in here actually. We're going to leave the backsplash as is, but replace all the outlet covers, things like that. We're gonna do a new undermount sink here, new faucet. We're gonna do a mounted microwave there, stainless steel appliances everywhere. And we're also, I forgot, we're going to take out one of these cabinets and put a dishwasher there, as that'll help rentability. Sorry, I'm filming on my phone. That'll help rentability by having that dishwasher there. So I think that's about all we're gonna do in here. They have a nice washer dryer in here. These actually are not ours. the tenants left them. So it's kind of nice. We'll see if they work. And that's about it. We're not gonna do anything with the flooring in there. We'll just transition the vinyl plank. We'll terminate it there. So that's about it in the kitchen here. I don't think I'm forgetting anything. We'll of course paint, replace the blinds, replace the outlet covers. Might paint the doors and do some stuff there. Just kind of some maintenance items here. We might do these in-wall heaters instead of baseboards. We might come up with a different method of heating there. Not too sure. These baseboard heaters are very, very inefficient. So that kind of makes it so tenants want to leave after a couple of years because it's like $300 a month in the winter for heat. So not ideal, so we'll have to look into that. Now going back into the main two rooms here where we started, right here, we have a half bathroom. So let's pop in there. Okay, so once again, sorry, we don't have light here. Probably should have paid those utilities. However, coming here, we're gonna continue on with the vinyl plank that we're gonna use throughout this whole first floor. We're gonna go ahead and replace this vanity, put something a little bit more modern in here, replace the, whatever you call this thing, medicine cabinet. Maybe just put a mirror there, maybe a medicine cabinet, and then also change out this kind of office light thing that doesn't look good in a home. We'll keep the toilet, we'll just, take it up to put the floors down, and we'll replace these things with new ones that look better, and then go ahead and fresh coat of paint in here. That's it down here on the first level, so let's make our way upstairs. So right here, we're gonna do vinyl plank and also just risers and new stair treads. So it's actually pretty expensive to vinyl plank each stair. So we will just do wooden ones and put a wooden stair tread here and a riser here, paint them white. It'll look pretty good. So make our way back up. Once again, just painting everything. Ooh, I have bad knees, so this is a little painful. And that brings us up to the second floor. Okay, so up here on the second floor, we coming up the stairs, come into the, I guess you'd call it the master bedroom. So this is the biggest bedroom. Let me show you guys around. And in here, we have decent sized closet over here, no door on it, so maybe we'll throw a door on there. Yeah, maybe replace the blinds, do some little fixes, just little drywall work, maybe replace a window here and there, new paint once again. Looks like they left their window AC unit there. And we'll replace all these light fixtures again, just because they're all on these remote, just remotes, and doesn't work very well. And figure out the heating, remove the baseboards, do something with those, not really sure. We come out, once again, fresh paint everywhere. These floors up here will also be vinyl plank. I don't do carpet anymore. Carpet to me, just it doesn't look good after like 2 years, and so we just do vinyl plank everywhere. If they want to throw in an area rug or a throw rug or something like that, so that they have something nice under their feet in the morning, more power to them. Nice sized closet over there. Once again, this is a little bit of a smaller bedroom. And then I think the final bedroom is a little bit smaller as well. Let's see. Okay, walking down the hall out of that bedroom, we got a little bit more storage here. So this unit doesn't have a basement, so it's nice to see that there are a lot of areas for storage. Pop into the final bedroom here. Once again, new flooring, new paint, replace these things. Probably won't put a fan in this room, maybe just like a flush light or something, because it is a shorter ceiling, because it's not a drop ceiling, but the roof line outside goes down in here for some reason. Once again, big size closet, and then we pop right out here, and that brings us to the full bath. So full bathroom here, we'll continue to do vinyl plank on the floors. Not really gonna do anything in here besides maybe new tub surround, maybe leave it as is and just recaulk it, and then do some new fixtures here. Maybe do a rain shower mount up there, just kind of spruce it up a little bit. And then in here, we're actually going to remove the tile from the walls. Now in here, we're actually gonna remove the tile from the wall. So there's this tile, if I can get a good video, it's kind of tight in here. all around. We're gonna get rid of that. It's actually pretty easy because they can just cut a straight line and rip the drywall off and throw new drywall on. Kind of clean it up a little bit. I don't love tile on the walls. Honestly, as a rental, maybe we should just keep it, but I don't really want to. So, toilet, and then around here, toilet, and then around here, vanity, lights. We'll probably replace this with something more modern once again. And paint, we have to look into if that's leaking. I think that's from an old leak, so probably not. But that's about it. So now that we've seen the place and the renovations we're gonna do on it, why are we renovating it? We see here that it's a pretty decent unit. We could probably just rent it out as is, maybe do a few minor fixes, but instead we're gonna put about maybe up to 10 grand into this to renovate it and bring it up in quality. And the reason is, first of all, we had the tenants move out. We gave them 90-day notice to move out because they were paying $750-ish, $775, somewhere around there in rent, and market rent for a nice unit in this neighborhood is $1,200. And so, and in current condition, we could probably rent it for around $900 to $1,000. And so we're gonna throw probably about 10 grand into the property, not just to increase cash flow, because that would only be about a $200 increase in income by renovating this whole unit, which is not that much. However, the reason we're gonna do it is to increase the value of this property as well. So the problem is, we'll increase our income from $775-ish to say $1,200, which is about $425 in added income, which is awesome as is. But the other thing is, we've increased the value of the property enough where now we can refinance it and lower our interest rate. So when me and my partner bought this place, we bought it for 5% down. And so now you need, on an investment property, 30% equity to refinance. We tried to refinance it and we couldn't. It appraised at, say, $190,000, $195,000, which honestly is very low in my opinion. However, that's where it appraised, and that was like 25% loan to value, maybe even 20 loan to value. I'd have to double check. But what that means is we couldn't refinance. We don't want to take cash out. We just want to refinance to get that rate lower. If we can lower that rate to market rates, which they're going up lately, so hopefully we don't miss the boat on this. But if we refinance it down to maybe a 3.5, which right now it's at a 4.625, we get about an extra $200 off of our interest per month, which brings us up, to another $700 a month in cash flow just by vacating this unit, doing a light renovation, getting it rented at market. So that's the goal on this property. I'll show you guys a little bit more, maybe some, more like weekly updates on this renovation to kind of just show you how it goes. Maybe I'll show you how I create a scope of work, things like that. Just bring you more into the day in the life type video, show you what I'm doing on a daily basis, if that's interesting. So guys, leave a comment, leave a like, and subscribe to the channel if you like these types of videos. Let me know in the comments down below how much detail you want to see on this renovation. Do you just want to see the finished product? Should I show you a daily? Should I show you a punch list? What should I show you? What do you guys want to see? So thank you again for watching to the end of this video. Really appreciate all of you. So once again, I'll see you in the next video. Have a great day. Bye.